Can't threaten me with a camera when you have it facing the wall. That's how you should start the video.
What?
It facing the wall.
What's... Oh, we got a call coming.
Doesn't know how to use his phone today.
Oh, my hair is all fucked up, too.
Well, I was trying to fix it.
Just, okay.
What? Oh. Y'all.
So
What did Jason got?
Want to do... I just want to do a quick video.
Yeah.
Real quick video because I got to go work. But we just got this in. I just wanted to say that Kim is awesome. And GoPro is awesome too. Because we had first started with the GoPro thing at the GoPro session. And then I got the 7. And then the 7 started acting up. So we sent it back. It was like a couple of days right before the year warranty ran out. And at that time, I wasn't a GoPro like subscriber or member where you pay a monthly or pay a yearly fee and you get like better service and discounted prices and nicer service, I guess, which turns out to be true. But even though it was a couple of days before the warranty was up, literally like 2 days, I called them and went through the process of doing what they need to do. So when you call them, they expect you to upload a video and show the camera and show all what's wrong with it. I've seen a lot of people complain about GoPro's customer service, which I find ridiculous. The only thing I can consider on that for people complaining is they literally just don't know what they're doing or they don't know how to do it. But if you're able to, quickly record something and show, upload it to whatever file server they send you to do it, that they're very, very accommodating. Long story short, the first 7 that I had, which I loved, went bad 2 days before warranty. Called them, they sent me another 7 in replacement. And I was just like, yeah! So I got it, and it lasted about a year and a half. It lasted about the same length of time. The problem is here in the South, it gets really hot in the summertime. And GoPros by nature, as they're recording or as they're in the window and have sun directed on them, like an iPhone, they kind of get all froggy and like to shut off and get really super hot. So long story short, a year and a half goes by. In the meantime, Kim had bought me an 8, which I had returned because I was not fond of the reviews on it. And then shortly after that, we went ahead and bought a 9, which is what I've been using for a lot of my videos nowadays. There is a 10 out now. I think there actually may be an 11 out, but there's a 10 out now for sure. And with the 9, I was like, well, my 9's still working okay, but the 7 was freezing up. Like it would record for 2 or 3 minutes and then throw an error up and you had to reboot it. And I went through the whole process of the little things that you can do with GoPros to make them work right. And I finally was like, whatever, I'm just going to stop using it. But I felt bad because I had these chargers. I have 2 of these chargers and I have like 2 or 3 of the batteries from the 7 left. So I'm now a member of the GoPro subscription thing. So with that, you can pay a set amount of money to get the GoPro fixed or switched out or whatever. So like, a $300 camera, they'll charge you like $75 if you're a member to GoPro to replace it. Well, I called them. Well, I got Kim to call them or I called them. I can't remember who called them. Yeah, I called them. And the person that was on the phone, I described the problem, went through the process of uploading the videos and the serial numbers and everything they needed. And even though it was in a warranted 7, he was like, well, listen, no problem. I'm just going to send you an 8. We don't even have any of the 7s anymore. So we're just going to ship you out an 8. And I was like, okay. He was like digging for my credit card. And he was like, don't worry about it. We got it. And I was like, what? And we sent the GoPro back. And believe it or not, they mailed us a return shipping label too. We didn't have to pay the return shipping on it. GoPro, I love you. I'm never going to buy any other camera besides GoPros because of this great customer service. And today we shipped it out, what, Kim? When did we ship that out? Like 2 weeks ago? It was about 2 weeks ago. Again, they paid for the shipping back. And today, unexpectedly, I was thinking I'd have to wait like a month or more for it. And unexpectedly, just now, UPS came in with, guess what? Our new refurbished GoPro Hero 8. And the best thing about it is I still can use the batteries. But then the weirdest thing about it, is they actually sent me a new battery too. So I guess it's either a new or a reconditioned. Oh, I'm sure it's a new battery.
You're not getting batteries this year.
No.
I ain't buying you no GoPro batteries.
No. So anyway, let's take a look at the GoPro Hero 8 that we can add into the mix. So that makes it the Session, which I still have, the little bitty square one, which I love. I even told the GoPro rep, I was like, y'all really need to make the Session again. Look, I've got two full batteries going here. These batteries, I think one of them was fairly new, so I'm gonna go ahead and then the problem again was I had two of these chargers, one at home, one at here. So we had spent quite a bit of money over the years with accessories for the 7. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these charged up, and we are gonna unbox and take a look at the 8. If I can find my tripod. Look at that short little tripod.
Gotta try.
And your gnomes. So here we go, GoPro 8 Black replacement. I wonder if this is refurbished or a brand new one. You never can tell. You actually can.
You actually can't open the box.
You can actually tell refurbished ones from new ones because. Don't cut toward yourself. Because you can see wear on the inside. Oh, look at that little beauty.
Aww.
Look at that little beauty. Let's see if we can tell if it's a refurb or not.
It's new.
It does look new.
Hey, before you scratch off your number by sticking your batteries in there, you need to go ahead and take a picture.
It's in the thing. Look at that. There is no wear in there. It looks new. Sweet. Here we go. Here we go. Thank you again, GoPro. Ready? Ready? The only thing about the 8s, which everybody complained about, was on the 9s and the 7s. You could this had a lens cover, but this is the actual lens, so you can't take this off. And I think that's why they quickly went to the 9s, because a lot of people weren't happy with how if you scratch that, then the whole camera is bad. So.
And I got you up there, Bob.
And SD card. We need an SD card. Let me go grab one. I actually have a spare this morning too. The one thing I'm wondering though is if it'll fit in the 7 cage. That's the one thing I don't know. So let's go ahead and get this memory card in. They always go in upside down. Boop. And look at that. Oh, hello, new GoPro. Welcome to Jackson. 8 Black. We are definitely English. Nope, go back to English. Legal stuff, yep. GPS, we're going to turn that on. Yep, we've already got that installed, so we're good to go. Actually, let's go ahead and set it up so we'll have it. I'll be right back. And there we go, the new GoPro. Sweet. So anyway, just wanted to post a huge shout out to GoPro for hooking me up, for making sure that all our cameras are still working. I will forever be a GoPro customer, even though there's a bunch of cool cameras out on the market. The customer service that we've received from them has been exemplary. So for those of you who say you don't have good customer service, GoPro, obviously you just can't follow directions, or you just something, I don't know, but we've had wonderful service. So once again, thank you, GoPro, for the replacement of the replacement. Fully unexpected. Yeah, I'll be adding a 10 to the lineup one day soon. Shh, don't tell Kim though, because then she'll be like, you don't need another one. And I'll be like, sure I do. And then she'll be like, no, you don't. See, I told you. Thanks again, GoPro. Y'all have a great one. If you need a camera, they're they take a little bit of a learning curve to get used to and downloading and all that. I use mine for a dash cam. I may start using this one for the dash cam. I don't know yet, but anyway, yeah. Once again, thanks GoPro. Appreciate it. Y'all rock, and always be you'll always have a GoPro fan and customer on this side. So thanks again, and we'll catch y'all next video. Go buy a GoPro if you need a camera.